Hey everybody, Kerry from Bab Speed Warehouse, and I'm here on Saturday doing a bonus deal of the day. I'm really enjoying these doing these deals every day and coming to you every day. I hope you guys are enjoying it also. Put in the comments section if you like what we're doing with the deals. They seem to be selling fairly well, which we like, and gives you guys a great deal, gives us some money, and gets more of our videos out there. Now, the tourmaline. Hope a lot of you guys got the tourmaline. The tourmaline is all sold out. That's gone. Bye-bye, tourmaline. Bye-bye. We have one of the black spinel left. And the other items, we've got a fairly good quantity. Tomorrow I'm going to go over everything that we have left. And then on Monday, they will be gone. Whoosh! Gone. So on the bonus today, we're going to do a strand of Tahitian pearls. Now, I know a lot of you have seen the Tahitian pearls that we have. The lowest price we've had on them is $150 a strand. Retail on them, is $400 a strand. My cost now is in the $200 range. We did buy a lot of them a little while ago and got a very favorable pricing on them. So I'm going to go and give you a favorable pricing on them, but I'm not putting them all up there. I'm only putting one up there, $99. If I have another one, maybe next week, Saturday, we'll do another one. So if you want it, buy it. I only have one. And here it is.
All right, it's video time. These have a beautiful, beautiful silver color. There's some two-tone going on some of them. Great, interesting shapes. Strand 16 inches. The pearls are 9 to 13 millimeter. Obviously, the smaller ones are in the back. And well, we're just going to go through each of the pearls so you can see each of the pearls. They're all quite different, but you can make some pendants out of these. You can make earrings. You can just knot them up the way they are. Lots of nice two-tone going on in here. Now, this is a one and done deal. All I've got is one. $200 for the, $99 for the strand. Crazy. If you want it, order it quickly. Only got the one. And that's it for today. You guys have a great day.